Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others work just as hard, but never seem to get ahead? Over a century ago, Wallace D. Wattles wrote, The Science of Getting Rich, a bold, practical guide that claims getting rich is not about luck, talent, or ruthless ambition. It's a science, like math or physics. This isn't about chasing money for greed. Wattles believed in wealth for a purpose, so you can grow, serve, and live fully. Let's explore the timeless steps he lays out, section by section, to unlock the mindset and method to wealth. Section 1. The right to be rich. Wattles starts with a radical idea. You have the right to be rich, not out of greed, but because wealth allows you to express your best self, spiritually, mentally, and physically. Without money, you can't access the best food, education, experiences, or even peace of mind. Poverty limits potential. So don't feel guilty about wanting more. Embrace it as your right. Section 2, thought is the first step. All the riches you gain must come from a thought first, Wattles says. Here's the key idea. There is a universal formless intelligence, a kind of energy that responds to your thoughts. When you think something clearly and consistently, you impress it upon this energy, which then begins to manifest it in your life. This isn't vague wishful thinking. It's focused, repeated vision. Section 3. There is a science of getting rich. Wattles insists that getting rich is governed by laws like gravity. You don't need to be brilliant or born into wealth. If you do things in a certain way, with clarity, purpose, and faith, you will succeed. It's cause and effect, not guesswork. So, what is this certain way? Let's dive deeper. Section 4, the power of a clear vision. Step 1, form a clear and definite mental picture of what you want. Don't just say, I want more money. How much? For what purpose? What will your life look like? Imagine it in detail, vividly and often. Your vision is the blueprint. The universe can't build from vague wishes. Tip, write your vision down, read it daily, add emotion to it. Section 5, the role of faith and gratitude. Faith is the belief that your vision will come to you, not might, but will. Gratitude keeps your mind aligned with abundance, not scarcity. Wattles says that when you feel grateful for what you already have, even before more comes, you stay connected to the source of wealth. Think of gratitude as your energetic signal. I'm ready for more. Section 6. Act now with purpose. Thinking is only half of the equation. You must act, but not just random hustle. You must act on the opportunities right in front of you now with purpose and excellence. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Every small action you take, done in the spirit of your larger vision, sends a message to the universe. I'm serious. Example, if you want to be a successful business owner, start by treating your current job or small side project as if it were your future empire. Section 7, efficient action, not overwork. Wattles warns against frantic effort. You don't need to grind 18 hours a day. Instead, take efficient, intentional action, guided by your vision, fueled by faith. Trust that the right doors will open when you stay on the path. Quality beats quantity. Your job isn't to force results, it's to stay aligned with the process. Section 8, give more in use value. One of the most powerful concepts in the book is this: give more in use value than you take in cash value. This means whatever you sell, create, or offer, make sure it's worth more than what people paid for it. If you're a designer, give beauty. If you're a teacher, give clarity. If you're a business owner, give transformation. That's how you attract more and more wealth. Money is a byproduct of value delivered with purpose. Section 9, don't compete, create. Wattles tells us, don't waste time competing. Create instead. When you compete, you're fighting over limited resources. But when you create, you tap into an infinite source of ideas, value, and opportunities. Don't copy. Don't worry if the market seems crowded. Bring something unique. There's more than enough to go around if you think from abundance. Section 10, Growing Rich as a Whole Person. True wealth isn't just cash. It's becoming more of who you are meant to be. Wattles believed in developing the mind, body, and spirit together. As you get rich, grow wise. As you grow wise, serve more. As you serve more, life expands. This is not about materialism. It's about living fully and freely. You don't serve the world by staying small. You serve by shining. Conclusion, begin today. The science of getting rich isn't just a theory, it's a practice. Start today. Create a clear vision. Act with purpose and faith. Be grateful. Deliver more value than you take. Trust the process. As Wattles says, there is abundance of opportunity for the man who will go with the tide instead of trying to swim against it. Wealth is not a fantasy, it is a science, and it begins with your thoughts. Call to action. If this message resonates with you, take the first step. Write down your vision, revisit it daily, and most importantly, act today in a certain way. Subscribe for more empowering summaries like this one, and remember, the life you desire is already reaching out to you. Your job is to reach back.